Welcome to the VT factory process. Here we combine state-of-the-art technology with the highest safety standards to bring you the best beef steaks.
Welcome to VT Steaks. As you can see, our facility is state-of-the-art. Everything is temperature controlled and completely sterile.
Keep it coming back. A little more to the left. All right, hold it right there. Looks good.
This is where beef steak flavor intensifies and tenderness is born.
Here at our facility, we only select the absolute best. Only the top 2% of all graded beef makes the cut for our premium steaks. That rich umami aroma is exactly what we look for. It's quality checked here at VT. At the factory, we ensure every VT ribeye has this exceptional marbling, guaranteeing a rich, unforgettable flavor profile. Stakeholders. Here at VT, we understand that aging steak is an investment. It requires careful climate control and weeks of patience. Today, we're going inside to see the incredible journey of raw beef to luxury beef steak.
you can see here, the bright red section is the lean meat, and this white webbing is the marbling, which adds flavor.
We start with the richly marbled ribeye. Next, the impressive T-bone, followed by the versatile sirloin and the fork tender filet mignon.
Here we have the sirloin, known for its rich flavor, situated right next to our signature T-bone and the impressive porterhouse cut.
Check the fat content here.
Reading is optimal. We are clear.
You know what, Gaur? Each steak is a piece of art.
Experience. In modern beef processing, precision is absolutely key. Our facility leverages advanced robotics and climate.
The shipment to Sector 4 is ready.
Confirmed. The automated sorting is working perfectly.
According to the VT checklist, we need 2 more inspections before crating.
All right, let's double check the temperature logs now.
check 3 main points: the intricate marbling, the rich, consistent color, and the precise thickness of every steak.
In the perfect shape, it's Tianchursig. Only the best beefsteak makes it to your table.
We did it. The beefsteak is approved. All that hard work paid off. Best quality VT steak ever.
Ensure the VT stamp is visible on all boxes.
Got it. Move the next pallet up.
Now, this beefsteak is ready for its journey to top restaurants and homes.
We're exploring steak this month. Which beef process would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below.
Wow, this is the best steak I've had here. Absolutely incredible. Chef did a great job.
Yes, but all.
Approved. Only the best leaves our facility, guaranteed by the VT stamp. Your steak, sir. Enjoy your meal.
From the initial raw primal cut to the final perfectly seared luxury steak, we guarantee quality with our VT stamp.
From raw beef to luxury beef steak, perfection demands precision.
We've reached the end of our beefsteak journey. On behalf of everyone here at VT, thank you for watching and goodbye.
Step inside and see how we do it. If you love high-quality beef, subscribe now for more exclusive food documentaries.